Hi and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress locally. First and foremost, we have to download the latest version of WordPress by going to their website. So in your browser, I'm using Google Chrome. You type in wordpress.org. And you click on Get WordPress. And you click here to download the latest version of WordPress. I already have done mine. The second software is XAMPP. So on Google, I already have XAMPP here. So you click on the first one, apachefriends.org, XAMPP installers. So basically, XAMPP is a software that will run our local server. And basically, what a local server does in this case is to help us serve as a platform to build our WordPress locally. So you click on it. I'm using Windows. They have it for Linux and Mac OS. So you click on the XAMPP for your Windows and it downloads. I already have mine. So after you finish downloading these two softwares, we'll get back. Hey, welcome back. So I guess that was pretty easy. So now you have to find and locate the folder where you downloaded both XAMPP and WordPress. So you click here and click a show in folder. Yeah, so there we are. We have these two softwares. You double click to run XAMPP. It's pretty easy. You just follow the instruction and click next. So the installation is done. You don't need to change any preferences. Yeah, so I think sometimes your antivirus prompts you to whether it's a good software or not. But since it's a good and a trusted software, you click to allow this. Okay, and that's just by the way. Apart from that, everything is pretty easy and pretty smooth. So finish installing that, and we'll get back to how we can set up WordPress locally. Hey, I guess you are done installing XAMPP. So right click on WordPress, copy it, go to my computer, in your C folder, you double click, and here we have the XAMPP folder. You should have yours. And you search for htdocs, click to enter. So this is where you paste your WordPress software. I already have a version over here already, so you right click to extract. I'm sure by now you guys have WinRAR or something to enable you to extract WordPress. If you don't have the software site where you can just go, let me just grab it real quick. Okay, so on your web browser you can just search for it. It's free to use. So you click on down, you install it to help you to extract WordPress. So that's just one point. You just extract it, put it in a folder, and then go to my computer or your startup and you just search for XAMPP. So you click. My computer is probably taking a bit longer. Let me go to my desktop to see. Oh, okay, yeah. So we have XAMPP. So you click on Apache to start. It should be up and running, and you click on MySQL. So these are the two. This is actually the local server. So based on this, is a platform that we can use to get our WordPress up and running. So you go to your htdocs. Okay. So you extract your WordPress here. After that, you can either change the folder name to the name of your website or your blog. So we can come up with a name, focus issue. I don't know. I'm just coming up with something. Focal. Okay, I think we can do a blog name as focal points. Just any name. So let's cut and paste it to the main htdocs folder. So you paste it. So if you're up to this stage, I guess you're doing pretty well. Click on the admin to take you to my PHP my admin. It's running a bit slow. Let me just... Okay, yeah. So you can easily type localhost, or you can just copy and paste it on Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome, it's much faster. So this is where you create your database. First you create a database, and then it will store everything that you're doing on WordPress. So your database installs all your posts or your blogs. Everything is being stored on your database. So you create a database locally. So that is why we really need Apache and MySQL. So XAMPP bundle all these things together and make it pretty easy for us. So you click on new. So since we focal, I think we made a focal point, right? Focal point. And you click to choose UTF F8 UTF-8 General CI. It's pretty not, I don't want to confuse you guys. Yeah, so you just click and voila, you're done. You don't need to come here anymore. So on the web, you don't need to come here anymore. Open a new tab. And type localhost / the name you gave to your WordPress focal issue. I think. Hope. Okay. What's the name of our database? Focal point. Sorry. So yeah. Focal point. Okay. So we're pretty getting there soon. Click on next since I'm using English. So your database name was focal point. So you type focal, sorry. Username, keep it root. That's a root username. And the password, leave it blank. And click submit. And click run the installation. Your site name, focal, I think it's point, right? Username, admin. Since a local host, we don't need to get wrapped up about the password, so I'll choose ABCDEF or ABC. Yeah, just ignore that. Yeah, let's confirm it's a weak password. I'll just type any name, blah blah blah. That's gmail.com. It's not a real email address. Click to install WordPress. So yeah, that's just basically how you install WordPress locally. It's pretty easy. If you have an issue, you can send me an email and I'll be glad to help you, or you can just drop a comment. But basically, you can just leave it, run it, and yeah, you can ignore it. So username, you click to login. username, then add me. I think ABC. Click to remember password. And yeah, if you got what I have right now, then you're good to go. You've made